Hi, my name is Jose, and let me show you my cookie factory. This is the entrance, but that in a cell is the cell membrane. All the area in the factory is the cytoplasm. This the mixing and baking room is in a cell is ribosomes. Let me show you the electric room. In a cell is nucleus. And here is the storage room. But in a cell is nucleus. Here and the last is the delivery part that in a cell is the Golgi apparatus. And I finished to show you the my cookie factory. Thanks and goodbye.